So what's inside this box right here represents the biggest silver purchase I've made in at least 2 years. And I'm really excited about this, and I'm really excited to share with you what's in the box and why I bought it. So as many of you know, I have recently gotten into silver pouring. For example, this right here is over 4 ounces. This is a silver epic eagle, as I like to call it. I have yet to stamp this one, but I really love doing stuff like this. I've been doing these skulls as well. These have been really fun and a lot of fun to do. Some of these bars right here that we've done some fun stuff with. But when I started getting into this, I realized I wanted to be able to customize it more. And so the next thing that I did was I got a laser. Now, I have actually been engraving some stuff like this 1 ounce silver bar right here. And I've also done some other things that were blank on the back with some different designs. And additionally, I have actually laser engraved some of my pours as well. None of them that I have here to show you, but you know what I mean. And it's been really cool. I really love the way that this bar turned out. But what I wanted to actually do was get some actual silver rounds that were blank. So yes, you probably know at this point, inside this box are 500 blank 1 ounce silver rounds. Now, if you're wondering why 500, well, it's because I didn't have a choice. To be able to get these, I had to actually order 500 all at once. And so we're gonna take out one roll here and I'm gonna pull them out and show you what we have. But before I do, I did want to tell you there's a way you could win 500 ounces of silver, and that's with this awesome giveaway from our sponsor, SD Bullion. SD Bullion is at it again. Last year, they gave away a full monster box of 2022 Silver Eagles. Now this year, they're doing it with a full monster box of 2023s. If you want your chance to win a full sealed monster box of 2023 Silver Eagles, make sure you head over to sdbullion.com/silverseeker or click the link in the description below. Thank you to SD Bullion for sponsoring today's video. So before I open the tube, I will say that I'm not 100% happy with how these came out. Now I'm happy that they are 1 ounce silver. I actually opened up this tube. I tested them with the Sigma Metalytics Pro. I weighed them. I listened to the sound, did the ping test. These are definitely pure silver. However, these were made by a private mint who I believe probably doesn't actually have a blank die. And so I have a feeling, and keep in mind, I have no idea, this is pure speculation, but I have a feeling what they did is they just removed the die from the press and pressed these with the flat press, like just like that. Because as you can see, they look kind of pitted. And it certainly looks like, you know, there was nothing to press them. It looks like the top and the bottom of a die press with nothing on it. That being said, they are pure silver. They are exactly 1 ounce. I haven't opened every single roll, but I opened up this roll. I tested multiple. I weighed them. And they weigh absolutely perfect. And I'm really excited to have these. I think once these are laser engraved, they're gonna look really good. And that's what we're gonna do with these. So what's really cool about getting them blank like this and having the laser engraver, and I'm gonna show you me laser engraving one in just a minute, is that I can put any design on here I want. I could do 5 of one, 5 of another. I could do 100 of one if I wanted. It doesn't matter. I can do any sort of design on these. And that makes me really excited to actually have these and be able to design some different stuff and have some 1 ounce silver rounds. And since also they're all exactly the same diameter, that makes it really easy to bulk engrave, because I can, you know, do one and then just put the next one on the exact same spot on the laser engraver and start it again, and we can get a bunch done. So, all right, we are actually going to fire up the laser engraver now, and we are going to engrave one of these and make the first ever Silver Seeker 1 ounce channel round. I'm going to design this and show you my laser engraver as well, and we will show you the round also when it's done. So the laser we're going to be using today is my Laser Pecker 3. Now, you guys may recall that I've been using the X tool for a few weeks, and I really still love that laser. It's very good. Highly recommend it, especially for bigger projects. But I wanted something that was a little bit smaller that I could more easily put small things at like 1 ounce rounds in. And the Laser Pecker does that job in spades. Very, very good. I already have the design that loaded up on my laptop. We're gonna throw it into the laser engraver. It's already set up and ready to go. Let's go ahead and engrave this 1 ounce silver round right now and see how it turns out. And just like that, we have our 1 ounce silver round. You can see I put the logo here and then 2023 in the bottom right. And then on the reverse, we have the YouTube play button, Silver Seeker signature, and 1 ounce 999 fine silver. I actually did 2 of them just so you could see that the design is uniform where it is on the coin, or the round, I should say. and it really looks great. Now, 500 of these things, there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff I can do, so I'm really looking forward to coming up with some ideas for different 1 ounce silver rounds. Like I said, I love having the laser because I'm not restricted to, you know, getting one die made and then having to have a bunch of the same design. I can do pretty much anything. So highly recommend both my X-Tool D1 Pro, especially for bigger projects, and for little stuff like this, I highly recommend the Laser Pecker 3. Now, I do actually have affiliate links for both of those in the description below. If you guys are actually interested in checking out either of them, feel free to go down there and check them out. Otherwise, yeah, guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm gonna have a lot of really cool stuff like this on the channel over the next year as I come up with some really cool designs. And if you were wondering how long this actually took, I know I had it sped up. This side took me about 8 minutes, and then this side took me about 4. So obviously there was a little bit more to burn on this side than on that one. And by the way, if you want to check out the X-Tool, I actually have a video up here that I used with the X-Tool. I'm going to put up right above me, so go check that one out as well. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.